Assalamu alaikum, welcome to a new tutorial about using Visual Studio 2050. We are to go to create a new project WinForm. Like in this project we will use template Windows form application. Here you put name of your project, example PRG Win1. After validating, we're going to design the interface. Okay, we have here form 1. For testing, I'm going to start project. Look here, you will see objects of your solution. Now we can execute the interface by clicking in start button. Our project ready, compiled. We can stop it and see you next.